Hey guys, well, so you want to see something? You're probably used to seeing people with their fancy handheld DCC remotes and all that kind of high-tech running gear and stuff, all this professionalism at every turn. Well, let's just show you something. It's how we run the railroad here. Yep. It's how we run it. It's how I run it. Every day I try to do a bit of operations, keep the rolling stock moving, keep the rails clean, that kind of thing. Today, what we're going to do is bring the train down here onto the industrial branch. It comes through this little connector spur here. Pretty cool. This is and I'll explain what the train has on it today. So we're going to bring the train over. Oh, here it comes. We got to slow it down through the turnoff. Ow, 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 as we go over the grade crossing. We come on through. Okay, and now we are flip our switch. Okay, flip this switch. I've been having trouble with that one. I ordered some spring steel to fix it. Okay, we're gonna back on in. Hopefully we do it. So far so good. Okay, so today's train orders are as follows. We got kind of an interesting train here, and we ran a test with it the other night. We had a bad day on the railroad yesterday. We had some trouble over there at Sun Valley Foods. The owner of the place, Mike Hargrove, was not very happy with us as we derailed a boxcar full of 145,000 pounds of assorted frozen potatoes products. That's your French fries, your home fry patties, your cottage fries. It was a Lamb Weston boxcar of this nature. So anyhow, what do we have today? We have kind of an interesting train today. It's kind of an experiment, but it is a real train. We have this Lamb Weston boxcar here, REMX 1057. It is loaded with JoJo fries and other assorted potato products to be spotted at Mega Pizza's commissary right there. Mega Pizza is getting ready to ship soon. They need food to ship out. This boxcar here is loaded with from Hormel. It has assorted meat products in it. It has pepperoni, sausage, ham, ground beef, any kind of red meat products that you would see at a pizza place they're frozen and they're here. Ground beef, pepperoni, sausage, ham, that kind of thing. Chicken will come later. This boxcar here, Mega Pizza sells chicken wings and JoJo's and that kind of thing. And they need oil to fry that stuff in. So this has vegetable oil in it. This boxcar here is loaded out of Elkhart, Indiana from Red Gold. It has 7-Eleven and tomato puree. What do you want? Oh, the superintendent is here. He's taking a look around. Everything look okay, sir? Yeah? Okay. Everything okay? Okay. The superintendent wanted to check in. This has 7-Eleven and tomato puree in it. 610 cans. A 610 can is a metal can. That weighs 10 pounds. 6 of them come in a case. 7-Eleven and tomato puree are tomato products that are mixed together to use to make pizza sauce. That's what that boxcar has in it. So what the issue is right now, there's a 2-car spot here. We've got a boxcar full of pizza boxes that should be unloaded, and there's a hopper car in there. The issue in the engineering department has thought of a fix of it. We just haven't got to it today because we've had other problems that have caused trouble on the railroad. These 2 big refrigerator box cars cannot, connected, negotiate this. And we will have a video on that later, and you will be able to fully see how that works. And you'll see what the problem is and what the solution that I thought of is that I can actually do. And when I get some time to do it, we'll do it. But this industry needs to be switched out. The beer industry over here probably needs to be switched out too, but I don't have any cars for them right now. This car had assorted beer products in it. This is a refrigerator car. It had beer kegs in it. Beer kegs are non-pasteurized. They need to be kept cool. So it's sipped in a refrigerator car. Packaged beer products don't need to be kept cool. You can put them in a regular box car. That being said, you don't really need to have... On the beer trucks themselves, they just throw an insulated blanket over the beer kegs, and that's usually good enough. But most beer kegs are non-pasteurized, so they have to keep them cool. That's why it's in a refrigerator car. You might be wondering, why is there a little 28-foot refrigerator trailer parked there? Every beer distributor has little event trailers or keg trailers. You have a rib cook-off or some kind of event that they need beer kegs or whatever. That has to be kept cool. So we have a little refrigerator trailer here that's used for events. Say there's a weekend rib cook-off, one of the trucks can take that, load it up with the beer kegs to the fairgrounds or whatever, and spot the trailer there. That's why that trailer exists. This box car over here has packaged assorted beer products. They have a 2-car spot. The beer distributor has a 2-car spot. They can't fit that. These 2 needed to be unloaded because the beer kegs needed to be unloaded because it's a mechanical reefer, it's burning fuel, that kind of thing, got to get it empty. This one they wanted first because they were out of that particular item. This one now needs to go in there. We need to do a switch move on that. That industry has to be switched out. This car is ready for pickup now. You figure it's got $1 million worth of produce in it. They've got that produce out. They've got it on their trucks. They've got it delivered to their customers. They don't need that car anymore. They don't want to pay Union Pacific Durage for having the car sitting there. So that one's got to get picked up and out of there too. They're saying, take it back. It's done. This truck's delivering machinery. This Conrail box car has machinery in it for the plant. The way the plant... I'm going to do another video on the plant, on the frozen foods plant. That's what's going on the railroad today. So you're going to see some stuff. So stay tuned. Business is heating up, and we're also going to talk a little bit more about every industry out here. So I know you're getting an echo right now. So that's how it goes. I'll see you guys later. Thank you for watching. I appreciate it. Thank you for all your nice comments. And I hope I can keep you guys interested in what we're doing down here. And I'll talk a little bit more about my bench work and all kinds of stuff like that. So I want to, thank you all for subscribing. I'll try to respond to your comments as I can. I'm not so busy that I can't do it, but I do have things that I have to get tended to right now. But as long as you guys are watching and I can keep you interested, I'll do a little bit of explaining. So I'll see you guys soon. Thank you all for watching. I appreciate it.